Good. So our team is working together with LC from Algorithmic, and so yeah, the basic idea of the challenge was to try and develop some way of communicating exactly what are the fundamental limitations of quantum computation and what you can actually do with the kind of quantum computers that we have available now. So what we sort of kind of gravitated towards is developing some kind of a software that, like, very simple software in the end, that would enable you to estimate how long it would take you to run a certain quantum algorithm on the hardware that we actually have available now. And that would just be really useful for all kinds of people, like for investors and other people that kind of don't know about the field. They're not in the sort of technical side of the field, but they would like to use quantum computers, just to get a feel for like what can actually be done now and what could potentially be done in the future. But then on top of that, we kind of thought it would be a nice way of communicating this to the general public, who often don't have necessarily a clear idea of what quantum computers would actually be useful for, what they could be done, what could be done with them. So what we're going to try and work towards for the exhibition is some kind of application, like an interactive sort of application that members of the public can interact with, and give like a simple prompt, like even something just like 2 + 2 = 4, obviously, and then see how long it would take for a quantum computer to calculate the answer, and see how well a quantum computer would have done, let's say 5 years ago, now, and 5-10 years in the future, so you can kind of see the development of how quantum computing has run and kind of put it in, I don't know, tangible terms, in terms of like an actual calculation and a time scale that people would recognize.
Perfect.